Hey everyone, JTR Cards. In this video I have volume 25 of the RC Explosion Box by Filmington. I received this in the mail today, January 21st. This is my 9th rookie card explosion box. Closing in on a year anniversary, excited about that. Let's get right into it. From what I can tell, it's pretty good pack lineup again this month. Filmington downsized his little insert. It used to be front and back full 8.5 by 11 page. He knocked it down to this abbreviated or a little more succinct lineup sheet. So there you go. You want to take a look at that. There are his socials right there. And let's see what we got. Peanuts back in here real quick. So we have a 93 Series 1 looking for Jeter, a 13 Series 1 looking for a Gold Cup Trout and Machado, 18 Series 2 looking for Bat Down and Landscape Torres, 18 update, that's a big one, Soto, Acuna, Otani, who else is in there? Soroka. We gotta go to my cheat sheet. Torres, Shane Bieber, Series 2. See if we can hit another Trout. Tatis. I think the last time this was in an RC Explosion box. I hit a Tatis. 20 Chrome, 20 update, 20 Series 1, 20. Stadium Club Chrome, and 20 update. So let's get started with the 93 Series 1. Let's see if we can get a Jeter or a sort of all-time great gold. Let's see, we have a Brooke Jacoby, Gold Cup Livingstones, and Andre Dawson. Mariano Duncan. The gold is a Jose Vizcaíno, and our draft pick was a Chad McConnell. Socha, Portugal, Rijo, Stewart, Jason Kendall, probably the second best rookie to get out of here. Knudsen and Guzman. So no Jeter there. Next pack is 13 update. If I didn't mention before, most of these are going to be hobby packs if you're not familiar with the RC Explosion box. Most of the product that Filmington puts in here are from hobby boxes when possible. Some of the higher end stuff, like let's say your 18 update, if you can find them in any way, he'll get them, and sometimes that'll be retail. So I think the 18 update this month is out of a blaster box. So let's see here. I have David Hernandez, Arrieta, Hayward, Scudero, Greenberg. Here is a Cal Ripken on Chasing History, Ironman streak. An R.A. Dickey calling card. Logan Andrusek, Lucas Harrell, and to round it out, Joe Blanton. So nothing out of that pack. Let's move on to 18 Series 2. We're looking for that Bat Down Acuna, the Otani, and the Landscape Torres. Cervelli, Phillip Evans, Leiter, Tampa Bay Rays card, Kurt Suzuki, Kyle Hendricks, an A-Rod insert, Duvall, Castellanos, and Garza. I'm going to pass on the update, on the 18 update, and 19 series Series 2 for now. We're going to move on to opening day, looking for the short print Luis Robert. Tommy Edman, Devers, Story, Polanco, Cooper, DeGrom, and a Minnesota Twins opening day. Let's go to series 2020 Series 1 next. Bichette, Alvarez, Rosarena, among others. Talkman, Price, Roman Quinn, Colome, Michael Gibbons, Castro, Yamamoto, Tim and Yolmer, Strasburg, Garcia, Davis, Tom Glavine, Decade's Best, 2000s, Markakis, and Voigt. So this box is going to have to pick it up, because we are striking out so far. 2020 update. Looking for Grisham and a Rosarena in their current team's unis. Debut cards of Alvarez, Bichette, and short print of Luis Robert debut. King Griffey Jr. All-Star. Lyles, there's a Torres, Ty Buttrey, Billy Hamilton, Pujols, Wojciechowski, a very off-centered Forrest Whitley, #1 prospect, Villarreal, there's an Acuna, Bummer, and Kunal. So busted box so far, but any hit out of these remaining packs could save the box. 2020 update. 2020 Chrome. Looking for everybody out of 2020. So let's see. Nothing thick. Let's see, we have a Rogers, Syndergaard, and Schwarber, and an AJ Puck. 85 design. Nothing doing there. Let's move on to 2020 Chrome update. I like the Rosarena card out of the Stadium Club set. It's a really nice looking landscape. Got something thick in here. Really nice looking landscape card. So we're going to start with Yuli Gurriel, JD Davis. I really like Stadium Club Chrome. Like I've said in my video previous, it combines two of my favorite things, a Chrome card and the imagery they put in Stadium Club. Yaz, there is a Beam Team of Clayton Kershaw, and it is a gold out of 50, so that's not bad. Let's see what else we have. We have a Nolan Ryan flipped around. I think it's just a Nolan Ryan, and a DJ LeMahieu. So let's get this Kersh sleeved up. Pretty sure this is a gold. Usually golds are to 50. That's good. I've got to use a stand that I grabbed. So, not a big rookie, but nice little parallel. I'm going to save update for last. Let's do 19 Series 2. Looking for the big four last year. Tatis, Jimenez, no numbered Vladi, and Alonso. Looks like we got a home run card, maybe, and a gold. Joe Ross, David Fletcher, Dakota Hudson, Windy City Warriors, White Sox. Let's see, this gold is Ketel Marte. And 2019. An Ohtani home run card. Yoshihisa, Hirano, Adrianza, Pujols, Fowler, Hughes, Morrow, and Sandy Leone. All right, last pack. Looking for Soto, looking for Acuna. Any parallels of those guys? Any auto? One can dream, right? Bregman to start us off with. Archie Bradley. Bryce Harper. Dylan Cousins. Clint Frazier. Legends in the making. Joey Gallo. Cole Hamels. Ildemaro Vargas. Joey Wendell, and a Carlos Santana to round out the box. So, yeah, it's dud. Is what it is, though. That's how the gambling goes. What can I say? So like I said, check out Filmington. Here's his various socials once again. Yeah, until next month with the RC Explosion box.